Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth and I am in the back office currently of My Traffic Powerline, a new traffic system that just recently launched. And as you might have guessed, the product here for My Traffic Powerline happens to be traffic, something that all marketers need, whether you are involved in a network marketing opportunity or an affiliate marketing opportunity or another niche, folks. Everybody needs traffic. Let's face it, it is the lifeblood of all businesses out there. This is an amazing system where you can get traffic at a very affordable price for the business of your choice. Now, if you don't have a business, you can make My Traffic Powerline your business. I just recently joined, and I joined at the annual membership. So that qualifies me and provides me with 1,500 available ad credits. So I just want to show you how quick, simple, and easy it is to activate these and to create a traffic campaign. You'll do so in your back office after you log in. Once you gain access and become a paid member, you will come over here and simply click right on the left here at Promo Dashboard, okay? Promo Dashboard, and that brings you right here, and you give it a name. So we're going to name this one My GFF, and you can name this anything that you would like. You can determine what your ad credit spend is. We're going to go ahead and do 100 for this campaign right here. Okay, since I do have 1,500 available ad credits as an annual membership member. That's the membership that I chose. You can choose monthly, and that's only going to cost you $60, $40 plus the $20 a month, or you can go with the yearly like what I elected to do, and that will cost you $200 plus 40, so $240. Okay, so with that being said, folks, we're going to give it our destination URL, which happens to be a marketing system that I have been part of, that I am focusing on right now for the busy season and will continue to do so. And it's called Get Fearless Freedom. So we're going to put my link here, which happens to be bestincomechoice.com. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop both of these links below in the description so you can fully review and check both of these out, okay? My link first for My Traffic Powerline, and directly below that will be my Get Fearless Freedom website link. All right, and then all you do is click Create Campaign. So right here we gave it a name, and you can give it any kind of name that you want. It's strictly for your reference and your reference only. Determine your ad spend, whatever you would like to use here, okay, depending on the membership that you're at. Now, if you're on the monthly, you're only going to be able to do 100, but if you are on the yearly, you are going to qualify and get 1,500. So that's considerably more, folks, and that's what I elected to go with. All right, and then you just put the destination URL and you click Create Campaign. Very, very simple, folks, and that's all you have to do. And then your campaign has been created. You will get an acknowledgement that your campaign has been successfully created. And then you can simply click here to see your campaigns. Okay, so we're going to click here and look, there we go. There's the campaign right there. It is fully set up and ready to go live. And I can get traffic now to my Get Fearless Freedom, bestincomechoice.com. So super simple, folks. I'm absolutely loving this. We have people pouring into this opportunity from all around the world. It's not difficult to clearly understand exactly why, because this is the busy season and everybody has something that they want to advertise. Everybody needs traffic. This is a viable traffic solution for you at a super affordable price. Not to mention, through the 2x12 matrix, you can also generate an income as an affiliate with My Traffic Powerline. So it's truly a win-win for everybody that gets involved. So with that being said, folks, click on the links below. Any questions, my personal contact, you'll find it in the description. Feel free to reach out to me, and I would love to welcome you in advance to My Traffic Powerline. Until my next video, you take care and have a great rest of the week. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.